Do you want to know how you can log into your Fliki.ai account using your LinkedIn account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fliki.ai account using LinkedIn. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Fliki. Click on the official site of Fliki and then this page will load up. Click login and you can see various types of logins and you can see there are options like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn and email. If you want to continue with LinkedIn, go ahead and click continue with LinkedIn. Write down your email or phone number, your password in this box, and after you write down your password, click sign in. After this, if your password is correct, you can now log into your Fliki.ai account using LinkedIn. So all you need to do is open Fliki.ai, go to login and click continue with LinkedIn. Write down your email address or phone number in this box, your password in this one, and then click sign in, and there you go. You have just logged into your Fliki.ai account using LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.